Hi guys, been going through my stock of stuff and I got these electronic kits. There's 4 there. This one I'm actually slowly working through to do all 200 projects. I got to number 19 and put it away, and then I recently brought it back out again to try and get the AM radio working, because I bought that little kit on its own, couldn't get that to work as an AM radio. Remembered that there was an AM radio set up here, built that, and I couldn't get that to work either. So I think we got a problem with the AM signal here. Anyway, I'll put that one back out of the way. The other 3 kits, that one's very basic. That one's a bit more complicated, and that one's a bit more complicated. I'll put the camera on the tripod and we'll talk about them. All right, good layer of dust on them where they've been stored. Right, okay. So this one, similar in concept to that 200 in one that I just put away. And you've got these little spring things and link wires to link it all together. Oh, radio AM FM. So I could try and put this one together for another AM radio. All right, okay. So that one came from John Lewis's. That would have been Christmas stock. They don't do this sort of stuff all year. So got a date on it at all? Not on there. Okay, well, we'll see if we can get that one to work with the AM radio, so I won't put it away properly. Right, this is the simplest one out of the lot, I think. Cost me £1.99 in a charity shop. Cambridge Brain Box. Okay, so what we have in here, these plug together. That's the base, and then these bits clip together in the little, yeah, that way up. Yeah, okay, so they all clip together. I don't think there's a radio in this one. If there is, I would save it. I don't really want to get rid of it anyway, but it's just taking up space. So it might end up going to a charity shop. Some very basic stuff, and you actually build up to lighting LEDs, electric motor. Shows you simple things like what an on-off switch does. And the difference between having your things in series or parallel. Sensors, alarms. I really assumed that my grandsons would have a go at this, but they never did. Well, I don't know, that might be unfair. One of them might have had a go. Okay, but as far as I know, that one is complete. You've got the boat there unused. because you can make a fan-driven boat. Okay, so that looks like that's complete. Cambridge Brain Box. Made in China. Okay, put that to one side. And then this one, a similar thing, clip together bits, hot wires. But this one has an FM radio. That feels like I'm opening it upside down. Or, you know. Oh, very similar, isn't it, to that other one? There's all the bits. I've an idea. I did actually put together the radio in this one. PNP transistor, NPN transistor. I think this is one that I actually wrote to the manufacturers and got some replacement parts. Maybe. Possibly. FM radio with automatic station selection and volume control, page 34. 3-note electric organ. Gosh, how many different... 112 different projects. Page 34 was the radio, wasn't it? There really isn't much there, is there, to do? Yeah, component 55 is the FM high frequency IC unit. This replaces the antenna coil and variable capacitor and can be used to automatically find FM radio stations. Now, let's go back a stage then. Power amplified radio. Power amplified radio. Simple radio set. Well, it doesn't use an external aerial. I would guess it's an FM radio rather than an AM. The thing with the AM one was it was crystal radio, no battery required. That's why it was interesting. This one clearly uses batteries. So 75, 76, 77. I'm very tempted to do all 1, 2, All 5 of them. Right, that's what we're going to do today then. So this will end this video now. This was just a review of the kits. And we'll see if we can put the radio together and get it working. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.